What if I told you there's a company working on technology that could change the future of artificial intelligence? Backed by Wall Street optimism, but at the same time, it's burning cash, losing revenue, and facing competition from some of the biggest tech giants on the planet? This stock has delivered triple-digit gains, then lost most of them. Some analysts see massive upside, others see more risk than reward. So is this the next breakthrough AI story or just another speculative bet? Let's break it down. When we talk about AI stocks, most people immediately think about GPUs, cloud computing, or software models. But there's another layer of AI that could define the next decade. A technology designed to solve problems today's computers simply cannot handle. This technology promises faster problem solving, revolutionary breakthroughs in science, and potentially massive long-term value, but it also comes with extreme complexity, high costs, and very uncertain timelines. And that's exactly where today's stock fits in. This company operates in the quantum computing space, a field often described as the future foundation of next-generation AI. Its core expertise is in superconducting qubit technology, which focuses on speed and performance, an important advantage in quantum systems. However, speed alone is not enough. Accuracy and reliability matter just as much, and this is where competition becomes intense. The company is trying to balance innovation with real-world execution, and that's a difficult challenge, especially for a smaller player. The company we're talking about is Rigetti Computing Inc., ticker symbol RGTI. Rigetti is one of the most talked-about pure-play quantum computing stocks in the market right now. Rigetti's stock has been extremely volatile. Over the past 6 months, the stock gained nearly 85%, but it's also trading almost 60% below its October 2025 high. That tells us one thing very clearly: this is not a stable stock on the Wall Street side. Wedbush recently gave the stock an outperform rating, with a bullish price target of $35. At the same time, the average analyst target sits around the current price, suggesting the market is still very divided. Now let's talk about the numbers, because this is where risk becomes very clear. For the first 9 months of 2025, revenue was just $5.2 million. That's a 39% decline compared to last year. In the third quarter alone, revenue 1.9 million. Operating loss 20.5 million. GAAP net loss $201 million. That massive loss was driven partly by changes in warrant liabilities. But the bottom line remains the same. This company is losing a lot of money. The good news? Rigetti holds around $600 million in cash. Debt-to-equity ratio is very low at 0.02, but there's a catch. To survive, the company has had to issue new shares, which dilutes existing shareholders. Rigetti is not competing in a small niche. Its competitors include IBM, Alphabet, Google, and other well-funded quantum startups like IonQ. These tech giants generate huge free cash flow, allowing them to invest billions into R&D without worrying about survival. Rigetti does not have that luxury. In a long race like quantum computing, financial endurance matters just as much as technology. Despite the risks, Rigetti does have a clear technology roadmap: a 150-plus qubit system by late 2026. A 1000 qubit system by 2027 with improving accuracy targets above 99.7%. One positive catalyst is its collaboration with NVIDIA. Rigetti supports NVIDIA's NVQLink platform, which integrates CPUs and quantum processors. This hybrid approach could play an important role in future AI systems, but it's still early. So what's the takeaway? Rigetti Computing represents massive long-term potential, very high execution and financial risk. This is not a stock for conservative investors. It's a speculative play for those who understand dilution risk, accept volatility, and believe in quantum computing's long-term future. For most beginners, this stock is better placed on a watch list, not a core portfolio. That's today's AAI stock breakdown on US Market View. If you found this analysis helpful, like the video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Would you invest in quantum computing, or is it still too early? Is KO ek paragraph ki sarat mai do?